Hey y'all, some of you have asked how you can support OFitness to make sure I can continue to provide those in need with free personal training and fitness videos. Simply put, you can support me with a contribution right here on Patreon. This crowdfunding platform allows you to set up an automatic monthly contribution from $1 to as much as you want. Or if you want to do a one-time donation, you can do that with PayPal on my website. Just look for the donate button there and you'll see it. Depending on what membership you sign up for, just know I'll be grateful. I love showing my gratitude with signed thank you cards from me and Jack, my dog. And I like to give shout outs and upcoming videos, post dedication, and much, much more. Your monthly support will help me to continue to make great free fitness videos for all your health and fitness goals. And I'll be eternally grateful for that. See you on YouTube. Stay healthy, happy, and have fun.